or Minnesota. He was my neighbor, and I told him, man, you should, get a credit card, get your credit score, you're gonna need it. I have to pay cash.
Yeah.
Well, he couldn't. He found out, he wish he would listen to me, because he couldn't get an apartment, a checking account, or nothing. He didn't exist. So he's living at his mom's house without any power.
Yeah.
He was a smart guy. He got computer batteries too that were like this.
Yeah.
They'd last about 10. But he actually checked some of those lights that were, like they say, 7 watts. Yeah, they were 7 watts.
Yeah.
And when you got, when you got something like that, you got to use as little power as possible.
Once again, I appreciate y'all helping. I've got to go get some 1-inch PVC pipe.
Yeah.
We're going to put use tees, and we're going to put them up on top of the boat, and we're going to get some heavy duty tarps and get the boat in the dry. Hunter will be in Tuesday.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, this window's got to come out.
Yeah.
Oh, did they break?
No, just all rotted.
Oh.
I'll have to sand it down to the outside fiberglass,
Yeah.
and well, not all of it. And take some thick and epoxy.
Yep.
Now, I'm not going to use marine grade plywood.
Yeah.
I'm going to use rare plywood. I'm going to scratch it up at 30 grit, and I'm going to put a reducer in the fiberglass resin.
Uh-huh.
The wood, soak that into plywood, and I'm going to after it's cured, I'm going to put 2 coats of resin over the whole entire thing.
Yeah, what is it? Can't you put something with the resin?
It's either I
It's
think
hard.
it's a little bit. I think it's either acetone or alcohol. I can't remember what.
No, but I meant whatever it is, it would turn actually the resin white, so it'd be a coating. Like, yeah.
You okay, Bill?
Yeah, I'm all right.
I've got the recording.
Huh?
I got a stand at the house that I paid $30 for it,
Yeah.
and I don't know why I'm not using it. You need to cut that sink. I want to save that sink. I'm saving these sinks because they're stainless steel.
Yeah.
You put a hole in my floor.
I know I stepped on it.
Hey, here's a nice butcher block for you.
Yeah, you can have that, but that stove's not go good. It was underwater.
We'll pick up around
Nah, it's attached somewhere.
That's what I say, you're gonna take it. I'll take this counter apart around it. There you go. Hey, put, don't fall.
Yeah, the refrigerator we're looking at runs off of 12 volts. You know, it's a RV
Yeah.
marine boat refrigerator. And
Yeah,
they,
my buddy bought one a house one of those little ones for his semi. You
Yeah.
go, it's the same thing.
you need that saw?
It's conduit though. Oh, we can cut it there.
Here, cut it. I like that little saw right there. Make sure the power's turned off.
That might be regular.
Does it need a
Right
blade?
here. That's regular.
House wiring. Does it need a new blade?
Well, that's a woodcut blade.
Here, you can throw that away.
Holy shit! This thing ain't right.
No, it's not.
You like it? You put with the wood.
All right. I'm not gonna argue.
Tim, you gonna let that man pick that up by himself?
Hell yeah, the moves. Oh, that's what we need everything. Yeah, I made a mistake. I never tried it at the house before.
Yeah.
So I used my broiler, but I didn't have a broiler pan for it. Bad move. Bad move.
Time you get back to work, don't make me.
So your little hooks, little anchors.
I think it's
Cool.
I think it's 11:30.
Yeah, I was gonna say it stopped raining. You could have been done with that and home. Somewhat.
Did y'all have some y'all?
No,
Aren't they?
It's got the clamps around the hoses. All I gotta do is take the hoses off.
Oh, okay.
Here, cut it.
Well, I gotta take the clamps off.
Well, rip that top off. Rip it off the cabinet. I knew it was rotted.
Yeah, then
Or it probably wouldn't ever glue. It probably wouldn't ever seal down.
yeah, I saw it.
Yeah. Here, cut those hoses. Here you go, Tim.
Give me the saws off.
Yay! Yeah, just cut those hoses.
Slice and dice. Now that's all PEX.
Yeah.
Chop it off.
That's a strong hose, isn't it? Oh, that's got that
Hold that up.
fiberglass in it, wherever they
Yep.
call that reinforcement.
Now this stuff's been around forever. I'm surprised it took me this long to get to it.
Those countertops Hunter wants to use in here is going to be that Corian,
Yeah.
that man-made stuff. You don't ever have to worry about it rotting or
What kind of wood is it?
it's called Corian.
Oh, okay. It's not even a wood. It's
No, it's like I don't know, some kind of man-made resin or something. Makes it look like tile, and you can leave it in the water. It'll never.
yeah.
100 years, it still look like that. There's something still holding it?
No, just a butterfly to take the sink off.
Oh. Tim just standing there watching you. You're doing all the work.
Yeah.
Is that the way it is out there on the lake?
Yeah.
At
Okay.
home too.
At home.
I said, then
Oh, y'all still live together?
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, when I wreck my car, that kind of mess things up.
Yeah. So you can just set that outside and I'll sit out there on the concrete and work on that later. Because I'm not going to reuse that faucet. Hey, Tim,
Yeah.
you see where Bill put a hole in the boat right here?
Huh?
He stepped down and put a hole in the boat. Now it's going to sink.
Is the life jacket, Tim?
Yeah.
We're on the boat.
Why
no life
is it leaking?
jacket.
Is it leaking?
Look, I came in here. I stepped down right there and it went down. I called my son up. I said, son, we can't fix the boat. I fell through the hole and I was standing on the ground. He's like, no.
Well, you know, I was going to ask that. Is the floor any good? Or the...
Well, like I said earlier, I drilled through this front right here. It was about 1 inch thick fiberglass.
That'd be perfect for like you're talking about a slide out garbage. You know, is this original? You think?
No.
Oh, okay.
The
However long it's been in here, it's still pretty good.
original owner of the boat was handicapped, and he had somebody put the cabinets in this bigger bathroom, and
Well, see, I like what I like their doors, their drawers, and their facial is all recycled plastic.
yeah,
Even the thin shit that we can't use.
yeah.
Kid just makes a mess though.
What?
What?
What'd you say? What'd you say?
What? No, I said the kid just makes a mess.
I'm just bringing it in. I'm just bringing it in and that's why
Maybe I can get Eric to make me some cabinets.
Huh?
Eric, make me some cabinets. Eric used to make some beautiful cabinets.
I wonder what.
Yeah.
A maple wouldn't be bad. That'd be a good wood in here. Or what's that other one? Mahogany.
You got money for that?
Yeah.
Mahogany isn't that bad. Get teak sometimes.
Well, you know that press board. Watch out for that frame on that.
Yeah, I got.
Don't bend that frame.
Well, that's already kicking out.
We don't touch it.
Yeah. That press board, if you put a resin on it, you just sealed it up.
Yeah, it's like what stuff's made out of. Like
Yeah.
some of the cheap stuff. It's just all those little shavings, not
Yeah.
thick ones, not
But if
particle
you-
board.
but-
Particle board.
Yeah, but if you put fiberglass or resin on it, you just sealed it up. Now water can't get to it.
Yeah, that's what they use when they do the epoxy,
Yeah.
a new countertop. You can use your old one, that's why I'm gonna try it. You know, though, once you get this stuff out,
I want to get the chopping block out.
okay, right there. I think you're,
Yeah, it should just pop out. Well, once you know, get it gutted, get that tarp over it.
You know, even once you get all this stuff up, the smell will start going away.
Yeah.
You put outside and air out for a while.
Well, I'm not getting that old, am I?
Yeah, you need to air out sometimes.
I like that trampoline floor.
Yeah. You know, I found we had a when I was in Paducah, this guy Ram.
Yeah.
He was from India, but he owned some backyard burgers. You know,
Yeah.
3 of them.
Yeah.
And then he owned a bunch of apartments. But he had 8 apartments on one level, just all the way down. What a joke.
Hey, Bill, just sit there on that swim platform,
Yeah.
and I'll stay over there on the concrete on the other side of the truck, and I'll work on that later.
But yeah, he used to, I pretty much lived there for free. I remodeled his apartments.
Yeah.
But we went into one lady's. She was a hoarder. But she had like boxes of toys that were never opened.
Yeah.
But we found out her kid was one of the kids that got killed in Paducah in one of the school shootings.
Go and cut that black pipe.
But yeah, her place was.
I want that, let me see
Fitting?
that T fitting.
Yeah.
It's,
Oh, you know what?
all
Just
it's plastic.
plastic like
Oh,
ours.
throw away.
You want hold it.
Nah, throw away. I'll get stainless steel. All right, y'all can start on that wall right there in that bathroom wall right there.
Wait a minute now. We got to negotiate. We want the Cajun cake. We want more hospitalization.
All right, let me get Eric on this.
Huh?
Let me get Eric on this. Help me out. Yeah, I want to save that sink in there.
The sink?
In the bathroom. It's actually going pretty quick.
You know, there was a time when
That
actually unions.
come off the window.
Yeah, unions were pretty strong, but not anymore.
Yeah.
Now these places just got smart and it's like Osis did.
You throw that
You know
away.
what? We'll just close down then.
Tear it all out. See, if you look right here, there's a marine air conditioner heater.
Okay.
It was brand new. It was never hooked up, and when it sunk, it ruined it. That thing by itself is about $1,000.
That's all?
Yeah.
I know we had Gen Packs in the truck, it was about 8,000.
Yeah.
But they also charge the system.
So you want to save this sink, right?
Yeah. Save the sink. You need the saber saw or the steel saw.
Now I bet you I got $5 that says Brandon and Brian are sitting there yelling at Eric right now where Eric's not around them. We told you it was gonna rain again.
I guess y'all can tell I'm not saving nothing.
No. I changed my hinges when I did my cabinet.
Yeah.
Because I was gonna pay like just little knobs, little round knobs, 10 of them were like
Yeah.
30 some bucks. No. Oh, man. That's all. Kind of demanded.
And here's a skill saw if you need it.
I can get the standing on, but is that gonna go with it? Back wall? I can stay there. Whew. You gotta close your windows and get wet in there. Rewind this script
Just set it right over there.
over.
Over. Just set it over there. Yeah, go ahead and take this hole. Take that hole, your toolbox.
Yeah, I let the crowbar off. Oh, it's right down the ground, ain't it?
What is it?
No, it's right there.
Oh, okay.
That'd be cool to keep, though.
You can have that door. There you go. It's almost out.
There it is. Whoa! We know only one of us can stand there. Yeah. We can even get this. Yeah. Well, I'm on the rail. Just slide off. Pull off of it. Here we go.
Is it swollen down at the bottom where the water was at?
Yeah, the door. Yeah, it's all.
Yeah, it's not. They're just.
Actually, you could redo it. Just take the old wood out and put new wood in the bottom.
Yeah.
You